Hello everyone, I am Chandan Soni. In this video we will learn to rotate the given shape. Over here we have a pattern. We will rotate this shape as per the given instruction. So first of all you will need a tracing paper, a pencil and a ruler. Over here if you can see, this is point C, which is the center of rotation. So first step is you draw two lines such a way that they cross through C. Since the pencil is not clearly visible to you, I'll use a black sketch pen. So if you can see, these two lines pass through point C, which is center of rotation. Now place the tracing paper in this way and trace out this complete diagram. So first, to begin with this, the axis, you can use a ruler for this. So we have got 4 quadrants now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you are done with this, trace the given shape. Okay, so first step was drawing these two lines, then placing the tracing paper this way and tracing the same thing as it is. So the first step is we will rotate this pattern quarter turn clockwise, okay, about the center C. Quarter turn means 90 degree, okay, 90 degree clockwise. So what you're going to do, keep the pencil over here in this way, because this is center of rotation, and rotate this paper, okay, clockwise. This is anti towards the left, it is anti-clockwise, towards the right it is clockwise. So this is the original position. Now rotate this tracing paper 90 degree clockwise, slowly, so that this line, the axis, matches properly. So it is matching, yes. Now this will be the position of the image. The shape what we get after rotating is called the image. Remove the pencil. Now you can just pull the paper this way and check its position, okay. So here I'll have 1 point, here I'll have 1 point. Repeat for the second part. Keep checking, okay, keep checking in between. Is it matching? Yes. So now we can shade this. For drawing these lines, you need to use ruler. So this was the first step. The second step is we will rotate this new image. This was the object, this was a shape which was rotated, and this is the image. Now we will rotate this image a quarter turn clockwise, okay. So what you are going to do, you are going to repeat the same steps, okay. So once you do that, it is already shaded. Now you will rotate this quarter turn clockwise. When I say quarter turn, that is 90 degree. So 90 degree clockwise. So what will be that? We'll start from here, rotate it until the line matches. So what's the position? This is the position. So again repeat the same thing. One box from here, okay. Square over here, and we are done. Shade it. This was the second step. What's the third step? Rotate the image a quarter turn clockwise about the same center C. So again we'll repeat the same procedure. Suppose I am using a new tracing paper for this. If I place it over here, I will have to trace this one. So how will it look? The same thing. Okay. So now place the pencil over here and rotate the shape clockwise 90 degree. So this is where we land. Again the same thing. Through the tracing paper, try to locate the points. This is over here. This is over here. So now we'll try to use the points. Keep checking. Okay, so what do we get? And shade it. So this was the shape. First we rotated this quarter turn clockwise, that is 90 degree clockwise. Then we rotated this shape 90 degree clockwise, we got this. Then this shape was rotated 90 degree clockwise, we got this shape. So 1, 2 and 3. So this way you can rotate the shapes using tracing paper. You can try it on your own. Okay, and don't forget to trace, to shade all the shapes, all the images once you are done. Thank you.